What are electrical properties of solids? Electrical property of a solid is directly proportional to its electrical conductivity. The tendency of a solid to allow the electric current to pass through them depends on electrical conductivity. Generally, for a solid material, the electrical conductivity ranges from 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of 7 ohm inverse 1, meter inverse 1. Based on the electrical conductivity, solids are classified as conductors, insulators, and finally semiconductors. Solids with maximum electrical conductivity value of 10 to the power of 7 ohm meter inverse are called conductors. The substances which are having least electrical conductivity value ranging from 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 10 ohm meter inverse are called as insulators, while semiconductors are substances which have intermediate electrical conductivity value ranging between 10 to the power of minus 6 to 10 to the power of 4 ohm meter inverse 1. Conduction of electricity in metals. Band theory is used to explain the conductivity of solid using molecular orbital theory. The atomic orbitals of atoms within a solid crystal, say two 1s orbitals, combine with each other and thereby forms a delocalized molecular orbital spread over entire crystal. Generally, metals conduct electricity in both solid state and molten state. The conductivity of electricity through metals is directly proportional to the number of valence electrons present in it. Atomic orbitals of metal atoms, say two 1s orbitals, combine with each other and forms a molecular orbital represented as sigma 1s and an antimolecular orbital represented as sigma star 1s. The molecular orbitals of similar energy are so close to each other so that they form a band. Generally, bands are classified as valence band and a conduction band. Valence band is a low energy molecular orbital which is filled with electrons. In a valence band, the electrons may be partially filled or fully filled. Valence band with fully filled molecular orbitals having 2 electrons may be represented as a red band, whereas conduction band is a high energy molecular orbital having unoccupied molecular orbital as shown by empty box. Generally, a conduction band is represented by a blue band. Generally, in band theory, the low energy valence band is placed at the bottom, while the high energy conduction band is placed at the top. The gap that exists between a valence band and a conduction band is called as bandwidth. The conductivity of a substance is decided by the movement of valence electrons from valence band to the conduction band as shown.